It's called Perfecto. Let's go check out the inside. To minimize contact with guests and everything and the staff, they have a code for you. And here it is. I have a nice little table with some cookies, books, and all the cooking supplies that I could need for a weekend away with Getaway. And there's a cute little fridge here as well. The little bathroom is super cute as well. You don't need much in order to be happy in the woods. And the shower. This takes clean in the outdoors to a whole new level.